feeding brush is the ideal brush for cleaning all of your feeders, from fat ball, seeds and nuts. The extra long design means that it's especially useful for getting in the bottom of tall feeders. To use, simply push inside the feeder and twist. The stiff bristles ensure that all food residues are removed, and the small brush within the handle enables you to accurately clean around the ports, ensuring nothing is left behind. It's then simply stored in the bottom, ready to use next time. We recommend you clean all feeders with a 5% disinfectant solution.